It looks rather calm now. Like there's no hurricanes. I'm going out. If that bus is still there when I get there, I'll take it. Oh no, it's leaving now. The bus left. So, where to go? I'll go to Ice Queen. I'll buy fries, burger, and drinks, and then see from there. Caused by Idalia. It looks like a regular afternoon now. Maybe Idalia has left the vicinity. And another sign that I see that, it's kind of safe to go out now is that there are many tourists on motorbikes now roaming around. I think there's a cruise ship docked in Front Street, in the dockyard in Hamilton. There's Ice Queen, my favorite fast food here in Bermuda. Let's go buy fries and burger. Condiments, supplies are self-service. I have my smoothies, and then here my fries and my cheeseburger. I'm ready to go. I just don't know where. I'll look up something when I get to the bus. It's a bright, calm day. I met some Filipinos on the bus. They are here on a business trip. Wow, social business trip in Bermuda. I'm not sure if I should go up here. I don't think so. I think I should continue on because the fort has a view of the ocean. I'm super confused now because there looks to be, a nice place there, but the fort seems to be there. Because I'm a naturally curious person, I will see for myself what's in here. I just hope that this is not a private property and I'm not intruding. There's a pathway. Let me walk down and see where it leads me. I highly doubt this is the fort because the fort is on the other side. This is leading to a beach that I do not know of. I looked at the map and there is no tagging or name for this place. There are no signages or anything that indicates that this is a private property. Look at it, it's so nice. Let's follow the path. And we're here on the beach now. Question, should I go there or not? Because there's a couple swimming there and I don't want to seem like I'm invading their privacy. I stayed just to take a few photos and videos because I'm not, dressed to swim. But this place is amazing because this is not even in Google Maps. Where am I going? Okay, here. I'm going back here. There. So I'm leaving this place. Look at this beauty. It's like the closest to your secret beach here in Bermuda. Although it's not that inaccessible. In fact, it's a short 5-minute walk from the bus stop. One last look before I go. This couple who were swimming told me to, feel free to stay and all that. I told them that I'm not even meant to go here. It's just that I saw there's a pathway and so I went here. They're nice. Anyway, bye and off to the fort. Not even there yet. I'm tired already. There it is. Scaur Hill Fort Park, one of Bermuda's national parks. Actually, I don't know how to pronounce it, so if I'm mispronouncing it, I'm sorry. I'm tired and hungry, so the first thing I'm gonna look for is a spot where I can eat my food. I found a spot and it's overlooking the road. Should I sit here or look further? This looks like a long walk. Should I rest for a bit? Yes, I will. I'll rest for a bit, eat. Came prepared, brought a book. The breeze is so nice and cool. I'm tempted to just stay here, eat, and read a book. But maybe once I've gained some energy and I'm no longer tired, I'd go there. Last bite of the burger. Super full now. I finished my burger, halved my fries. So let's go explore. This looks like the only road that I can take. So let's go. It looks like there's a pathway here, so let's follow this road. What is this? There's a board here indicating West Gun emplacement. Okay, it must be placed here. I'll go up there and see the view. Up here, here's the view. Ocean there. Water's there. And here. I'll follow this truck. Actually, I don't know if it's leading somewhere. Oh, it is. It's going there. There's a signage there. So maybe I can go there. Let's see. I thought I'd be able to go on that side via here, but it doesn't look like it. So I'll have to go down. It's okay. Let's go in here. So this is the entryway to that place that I showed earlier. I'm presented with two roads. I'm gonna take this one because this is where I saw the sign earlier. Oh, we have here Bermuda Railway Trail. Let's follow this for a bit and go back because this is underneath. The fort is up there. So I wanna go up there later. But for now, let's see what's here. Oops, this is getting deeper and deeper. The road is narrow. Good thing it's not yet dark. It's only 5 p.m. I said that, I'm not gonna go deep into this, but this is just so nice. I'll take a few more meters before I go back. Actually, I don't know where this trail is leading, so I will have to go back because wherever this is leading, I'm not sure if there is a bus stop over there. And also I wanna see, I wanna have the view of the ocean from the fort, and I haven't been there yet. I've been to one that I showed earlier, but there's a bigger one, bigger viewing area. So I guess I'll have to go back now. I'm leaving the railway trail now. Let's head back up there. That's where I'm going now, up there. I need to follow this road up there. I found another nice spot where you can sit and chill, and this will be your view. But since I was done with my chilling and eating earlier, let me continue to the fort. This is where we are going. It says here that during the troubled relations between Great Britain and the United States in the 19th century, this was part of a ring of fortifications built in Bermuda's defense. You're welcome to use this site for a picnic. The many scenic views it offers for photographs should not be missed. Ah. This place so reminds me of Fort Santiago in the Philippines. This stone is the perfect weather indication. A dry stone means it's not raining. A wet stone means it's raining, obviously. A shadow under the stone means the sun is shining. If the stone is swinging, it means there is a strong wind blowing. If the stone jumps up and down, it means there is an earthquake. If ever it is on top, believe it or not, it is snowing. I don't know if that's a joke or not. It seemed so obvious. There's a cell here. I don't know. This might be a prison cell. Where you use a cannon? I don't know. Another cell. A picnic area. This place is well kept. So you can see the grass is well trimmed. Here's the design of the fort. Viewing area. I'll do a 360-degree shot. Tourists usually skip this place on their to-go-to places in Bermuda because there are just so many places to visit. But I'm so glad I went here. This place holds a very important piece of history of Bermuda. I just saw a couple and they could have hurt me with my whole vlog spiel. They're so into each other. So sweet. Here's the parking area and a great view over here. There's the fort that I went to earlier, and now it's time to go. I still have a bus to catch, and even though it looks like the sun is way up, it's actually 5:30 in the evening, actually late afternoon already. So there, thank you so much for joining me in this adventure, and have a good day. Bye.